Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. Today I'll be eating some Whataburger for y'all. Whataburger. It's not Whataburger, it's What a Burger. I know I've been calling it Whataburger, but no, it's What an Amazing Burger. So I got double stack right here, 2 patties and some cheese. I got some, I don't even know what this is, some melt chicken. It's not chicken. Oh, something melt. And I have some onion rings right here. And y'all already know I like to put my veggies on the side so I can add them in later. And I got my drink. I got some Sprite. Whew. It's not as strong as McDonald's Sprite, but it does the job. So this one right here got onions, Swiss cheese, all type of stuff in there. Ooh, let me try this onion rings. Whataburger, this whole thing costs about $16. The thing with Whataburger, you're getting good quality food. Now you can taste the freshness. I don't know how much states Whataburger is in, but if y'all have a Whataburger in your town, let me know. Ooh. Guys, it's been raining all weekend. I guess they were supposed to have a storm, so we've just been getting rain like crazy. I'm gonna try and take my time and eat because y'all be saying I be going in too hard, too savage. So I'm gonna take my time. I like this blue and this lighting right here. I feel like the blue complements the lighting because this quality looks so good. And I did nothing. I did nothing different. The thing with Whataburger, they cook their meal to order. You see I got a double stacker. When you order that, they put it on the grill, fresh meat. And when you order your onion rings, they drop them to order. It doesn't sit there and wait. Mine's a little soft because I brought it home and it was just sitting there. I was like, let me come make this video before the food gets any colder. hopefully it doesn't rain next week. Cause I'm not trying to get wet. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Woo, yeah. Whoa. If that was a McDonald's drink, it would have been, wow, that burp would have been out of the roof. Let me try this one. Ooh. This is pretty good. It's crazy. I don't like my pickles in my sandwich, but I can take a pickle and eat it. Like, I don't know. Makes no sense, right? Trust me, nothing I do my own madness. These things are heavy. Them burgers are heavy as hell. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notification so you get time to upload a new video. You don't know. Where all my tomato lovers at? You know what's crazy? Right before I started making videos, YouTube videos, I met two big or two well-known YouTubers. I met T. Pendel in Delray Beach, Florida. And I met Elias, he's a Jamaican artist or YouTuber. Now he got his own film. He's starting his own, this movie is called Sprinter. I met him at a party where my friend's family friend birthday party. And there he was. Look, I had two opportunities. If I already had my channel, I could have been like, hey, give me a shout out, tell people come check me out. Ooh, check me out. Two well-known people. T. Madel, he got over 2 million subscribers on his main YouTube page. And Elias, he's starting a damn movie. What my life I come to? I was like, damn. Only if I met them earlier. Or not earlier, but later. Or started my YouTube channel earlier. But blessing not come. Blessing is coming. Because being a small YouTuber, it's hard. Because you out here pushing out content. So you're like, damn, I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting monetized. My subscription count is slowly growing. Like, slowly growing like a snail. You're like, damn, man. Just want to blow up them. But, patience. You just gotta keep pushing out videos. One day it will take off. Take away. Take away. Ooh. Yeah. I need to do lighter foods. Because these things are too heavy. I do like a salad mukbang, right? Oh yeah. Whoa. Definitely watch that on. This should hold me until about 2 days. Who am I kidding? I was thinking about doing a grocery haul, and showing y'all like what type of grocery I get. So it was raining, so everything got wet. So I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I should do it, but I might do it. Guys, I'm full. Full. Last tomato. Put some salt on this, and you're good. Yours are these cold fries. Onion rings. I hope I've been saying onion rings. I'm not edit nothing out. Woo! Woo! You think you're fat, you can't eat everything? No, sir. You think you have no. As I'm telling you, even though it's expensive, $16 for 2 burgers, like 2 burger and a drink and some onion rings, that's a lot of money. So it better fold me up. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. I think I'm gonna do the haul, the grocery haul. Y'all should enjoy that. Let y'all see what I eat. Oh, ja. Oh, let me see if I can show my hair. So I got my hair done. I went to this lady. How much I paid? $70 for these braids, which isn't too shabby. Cause I'm trying to keep my hair in protective style. Cause my hair just be breaking. Like, I don't have time for it to break. I want it to grow nice and healthy and lovely. Okay, want to grow nice, because right now I already feel the ends breaking. I'm like, my hair's not even that long. Why my ends already breaking? Like, why am I damaging my hair? Why am I messing it up? That's why I cut it off. No, that's not why I cut it off. Part of the reason why I cut it off. So yeah, now it's growing back and healthy, and I'm messing it up. So I want it to grow right. Ooh. So I put these things in here. See, I'm not gonna be paying people to do it all the time. I'm gonna do it myself sometimes. I'm probably put some big braids in there. Not gonna take me long at all. Just chewing the braids in real quick. Guys, I think I'm gonna start probably just wearing blue tops all the time, because I feel like the blue just complements everything. I got some mayonnaise. We're gonna get dry, you know. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please share it. Share it on Instagram, share it on Facebook, share it with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Do all the works. Do all the fun stuff and get this video going. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Woo! Jono. Belly full up. Me can't yam no more. Them things are heavy. Woo! Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media and Snapchat. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye. Bye. Lego.